What evidence demonstrates a diligent job search for child support imputed income? Imagine trying to prove to a court that you are really making an effort to find work. It's not just about saying you are looking. You need to show proof. When courts consider imputing income for child support, they want to see real evidence that someone who is unemployed or underemployed is actively trying to find a job that matches their skills and experience. This helps determine if the parent is avoiding support payments or genuinely unable to find work. One of the most important pieces of evidence is detailed documentation of job applications and contacts. This means keeping copies of every job you apply for, whether it's an email confirmation, an online application receipt, or notes from phone calls and in-person visits. Showing that you've applied for jobs that match your education, skills, and past work history is key. For example, if you are a trained electrician, applying only for entry-level retail jobs may not be seen as diligent. Next, proof of interviews and follow-up communications is vital. If you attend interviews or send follow-up emails to potential employers, keep records of those interactions. This shows you are actively engaged in the job search process. Attending interviews and following up indicates genuine effort. Using employment resources also counts as a sign of diligent searching. Showing you have visited job placement agencies, used online job boards, or networked with contacts demonstrates you are exploring all avenues to find work. Many courts look favorably on parents who utilize these resources. It's also important that the jobs you seek align with your qualifications. Applying for jobs that are well within your skill set and earning capacity shows reasonable effort. If you only apply for low-paying or unrelated jobs without good reason, courts might see that as not making a real effort. Evidence that you are working to improve your employability can help your case. This could include certificates from training programs, courses, or workshops you've attended. Showing you are upgrading your skills demonstrates a serious intent to find suitable employment. The geographic scope of your job search matters too. Courts expect you to look for jobs within a reasonable distance from your home, considering transportation and family responsibilities. If you only apply for jobs hundreds of miles away without a valid reason, it might not be seen as diligent. Finally, providing explanations for any gaps in your employment or unsuccessful applications can be helpful. If health issues or caregiving duties prevented you from working or applying, explaining these circumstances shows honesty and effort. All these pieces of evidence help courts decide if someone is genuinely trying to find work or just avoiding child support obligations. If you don't provide enough proof of your efforts, the court may impute income based on what you could earn, considering your skills, past earnings, and local job market conditions. To make your case, keep detailed records of every job search activity and be ready to explain any periods of unemployment. Showing consistent, reasonable effort is the best way to avoid or challenge imputed income calculations.